Hi, my name is Karthik Venkatesan. I'm from VIT Business School, Chennai campus, and I have been placed in HCL campus for the role of a project manager officer infra delivery, and it's a very good offer that I got to have. It's a kind of a dream offer that I was looking for, and because I mainly wanted to get into the IT industry, and it helped me to get placed in that role, and I really feel proud of getting that job through VIT Business School. For internal preparation, I used the videos of campus interaction. I searched YouTube videos and I got to see the other students who have previously interacted, and I got to see them, the answers that they have given, and the frequently asked questions and how they overcame their nervousness. All that helped me really a lot to set the stage. It really helped me gear up for my preparation. I attended a couple of interviews. One of them was Bero and the other one was HCL, and I got my final offer with HCL. HCL is a company that I have already worked for from 2010 to 2011, so I quite know something about the company. So I didn't spend much of my time preparing about the company. I was just looking through the job description that they had sent, and I was just checking if I was ready enough for the job, and I was just brushing up my resume as well to make sure that my job skills are relevant to the job description. That's how I got prepared for the interview for HCL. I searched for some information online. I was searching for some peer reviews or previous employees who are working some different portals, and I got some information about the project manager role, and I was more preparing about the role in specific rather than about the company. The first question was a usual question, tell me about yourself, and I had to brief about myself there. And then one of the toughest question there was you had done a BSc biotechnology role, and why are you opting for an IT company? And that was a question which I felt was quite tough, and I had to answer about that. I just told them that throughout what we learn with regards to what the skill set that is required for the company is more important than what our education background is. So that was the answer that I had given them, and I also got to show them the certificates that HCL had given me during 2010 training period, certifying me as the most enthusiastic learner. And I told them that it is my enthusiasm to learn and quickly adapt that helped me to learn better rather than my degree, which would not play a great role. So that is how I convinced them. I told them that I have the ability to learn. That's what helped me. The toughest question was why you have a BSc biotechnology background and why you're interested in an IT company. And I managed to tell them that learning is the key essential, and we have to unlearn in order to learn and to continue growing up the ladder. That was the answer that I had given them. My body language was cool and composed, like how I'm sitting right now, and I was as soon as I entered the hall, I had only one person who interviewing me, and I started my interaction with him about if he is comfortable enough, and if he had his lunch recently, or if he's tired, or if he would like to have a refreshment break before starting the interview. And that helped me pick up a rapport with him on a cool note, and that helped really set the stage so that I was not nervous enough, and he also was comfortable enough in interacting with me. So that's how I shook off the nervousness of me, by picking up a rapport with them. I was asking them about when exactly, what is the shortest period for me to grow in their career ladder, and I was asking them about if I would have any direct reportees reporting to me. and he was telling me that I would be given on-the-job training where I'd be assisting a project manager, and the career growth would be up to 3 to 4 years, where I would become a project manager myself, and that's when I will have reportees. And a couple of other relevant questions regarding project management. I was asking about if there are transitions, if I have to travel abroad, and I got relevant answers for them. As I told before, I tried to build a rapport with him. I had kept a person interaction with him about if he's feeling comfortable or if he needs a break. So, the interaction, I set the stage for the interaction. I wasn't waiting for the interviewer to begin this conversation. It was I who started the conversation, and I believe that helped me to brush the nervousness off. I would rather say, like I've written a couple of articles regarding this on my personal blogs. Be cool and calm. This is not the last interview that you're going to attend. Everyone will get their own job at one point of time, so don't lose confidence. So the minute you prepare yourself not to lose confidence, it's the time you start gaining confidence, and that's sufficient enough. And if it really is your cup of tea, you're going to get that. So do not lose confidence. The minute when we give up is the minute when we really lose. So continue to prepare with confidence. Confidence is all that matters and nothing else. I would like to tell that Campus Interactions should continue doing this good job, and they should come back and take more of our interactions from a variety of students and continue to include our portfolio, which will continue to be a reference material for the students in the forthcoming years.